Hello everyone. Let's do a quick one. Let me show you how you can implement a search feature right inside of Webflow. Let's say we have this blog, for instance, this blog cards, and you want to be able to add a search feature so that when you search a particular blog name, it filters that out for you. Now, how are you going to go about it? So we have a div block here. Inside of this div block, what you want to do is you want to bring in a form. So what we're going to be using attributes by Finsweet. Attribute is basically JavaScript functionalities without code. So that's what we're going to be using. So what you want to select, you go to attributes or finsweet.com/attributes, and you want to be able to come to CMS filters. All right, that's the first thing you want to do. Now, the first step is you want to copy this script. You copy it here and you go to your Webflow project. You go to blog, you go to the pages. So on this blog page, you want to come here and paste under the head section. You want to be able to paste the script that you just copied. All right, just this one here. That's the first thing you need to do, and you save it. Now the next step is you want to be able to add a form. All right, a form block, because you're going to be using an input field. All right, an input element. Now you're going to delete this field name. You don't need it. This email name. Delete this, delete the search. Now you're just going to leave this text field, and you want to call this search, maybe search field, right? You're going to call it a search field. Now you want to be able to add a placeholder that says search for blog or search articles, whatever, maybe search articles, okay? Whatever you want to call it, okay? Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to follow these steps. Now, the step 2 is, this is the required minimum setup, all right? I want to filter the content of the collection, all right? So you click on this arrow, you click on copy this attribute's name. Now, you want to go to your blog collection, which is this. And come here and go to settings and click on custom attributes. Now you want to paste that you copied from the Finsweet website. You go to the value here and copy the value to, right? And you paste it here. That's the first thing you want to do. Now the next step is you want to go to filters. I want this form or form block to have the filter UI element. Now for the form that you added in your Webflow, you copy. You go to your Webflow and come to the form here, which is this form. All right. Now you want to click on custom attributes and paste. The value is filters. All right. Now the next thing that you want to do is step 4. Now field identifier. This is very important. All right. Now you copy this. Now where are you going to paste this? You're going to paste this in the search field. See that input field? You're going to select it and come to custom attributes and paste this. Now for the value, you're going to give it a name. Since you want to search the blogs by names, by the names of the blog, you're going to call the value names. All right. Now you're going to also do this. Now mind you, you're doing this step in 2 places, in the input field and also in the name field. This is the dynamic field contents of the blog. You want to also do that. Okay, you come to custom attributes, paste the name, and the values too is going to be names. Okay. Now after that, I think that's like the major thing. Now what you want to do next, if you preview here, nothing is going to happen. Nothing, because this is not the live link. What you want to do, you want to publish your website. And let's check that out. Okay, now we've published. Now let's see it working live. So let's assume we want to search this name, unlocking. Just search for unlocking. So you see, before you finish typing, it brings that up for you. It filters it for you. Now let's say you want to search maybe 5 members. Maybe let's say there are so many blogs and you want to just search by name. Say 5 members. Oops. Sorry, 5 team members. 5 team members. All right. So you see, it has filtered it for you. So yeah, that's how you go about implementing a search feature in Webflow. Now you can customize this as much as you want. You might want to make it customized. Maybe you want to add, a color background to it, maybe a pure white, or however you want to do it. Maybe you want to take away the border, or you want to make the border